welcome to our offline session. In this video, I'm going to show you uh, how to practice your recorder. Okay, for this practice, we are going to do our first three note of recorder, which is B, A, and G. Okay. In this practice, I just want you to do like a long note and short note only. Okay? Or long blow and short blow. Remember, for recorder fingering, recorder hands, left hands is always on the top position here, okay, and the right hand is at the bottom. Don't forget, left hand is on the top and right hand is at the bottom. Okay, so the first three notes B, A, and G is going to be with your left hand. You have to place it in here, okay, on the top one, not at the bottom one, the top one. Okay, let's try with our first note. It's going to be a B note. Here's the B fingering. The index finger is in the first hole here, and remember, the thumb is always going to be at the back here, in the back hole. This is your B note. Okay, let's try to blow it. Let's use a long note. Remember how to blow it? You can make your mouth position like when you're saying do or to. Okay, do. Let's try again. Okay, so that's B. Now let's do A. A, place your middle finger on the second hole here, next to the B finger. Okay, it's like this. And at the back one, still with your thumb. Let's do this. This is A note. Okay, there you go. Now let's go for our G note. G note, you're adding your ring finger here next to your middle finger. Okay, let's cover this. That's your G, and the thumb still at the back. Let's do this. Remember, first time you blow recorder, it's going to be like this. The sound is going to be like this. Okay, it's squeaking sound. That's why you have to place your finger, cover the hole firmly. Okay, cover it properly. If you're not covering it properly, the sound is squeaking like this. Okay. But when you cover it properly, the sound is going to be like this. Okay, now we are going to practice long note and short note. I'm going to use this thing. It's called a metronome. This is to keep our tempo. Okay, this is to keep our tempo steady. And the first note value that we are going to use is a whole note. It gets 4 counts for the note that I'm going to blow. Let's do 4 times of whole notes with a B note. You ready? One, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's do a half note. 2 counts for each half note. Okay, let's do 4 times of our half notes. 4 times only. Still using the B note. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Now let's go for a quarter note. Quarter note gets 1 count. Now let's do 4 times of quarter note. Still using the B. One, 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 one. Now let's try. The next one is a pair of 8 notes. A pair of 8 notes will have half count and plus half count. Okay, so it's going to be like this. Let's do that for maybe 4 times of 4 times of a pair of 8 notes. Okay, one, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Okay, now I'm going to randomly do those notes: whole note, half note, quarter note, and a pair of 8 notes using this metronome. and you can move on to A. And move on to G. And now I'm going to mix it up. B, A, G, okay? Just random. Okay, remember in this exercise the point is for you to get the note correctly first, to get the sound of these three notes correctly first, okay? Especially the fingering. So don't rush. If you think that the B still sounds squeaking, just keep in the B. Okay, but if it's already good, you can move on to A. Okay, and try to randomly change these two. Okay, like this. Okay, just make it until the sounds really nice, round sound, very nice tone. Okay, and then move on to G. Thank you. That's all for this offline session. Try practice the B, A, and G, and then don't forget to look at the PDF file for the fingering of B, A, and G. Okay. Bye. I'll see you in the online session.